Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 6, and we're continuing our journey into loops. In this video, we'll cover for loops, iterating through lists and strings, and dive into nested loops and loop optimization. Ready to loop the loop? Let's jump in. Let's start with for loops. Unlike while loops that run until a condition is met, for loops iterate over a sequence, like a list or a string, and execute a block of code for each item in the sequence. Here's a simple example. In this example, the for loop iterates over each item in the numbers list and prints it out. Next, let's see how we can iterate through lists and strings using for loops. Here's how you can iterate through a list. And here's how you can iterate through a string. Using for loops, you can easily process each item in a list or each character in a string. Now, let's talk about nested loops and loop optimization. Nested loops are loops inside loops, which can be useful for working with multidimensional data structures. Here's an example of nested loops. In this example, the outer loop iterates over each row of the matrix, and the inner loop iterates over each item in the row. Loop optimization is important to keep your code efficient, especially when dealing with large data sets. Here are a few tips. Avoid unnecessary nested loops. Try to flatten loops if possible. Use built-in functions. Functions like range and list comprehensions can make your loops faster. Break early. Use break to exit loops early when you've found what you're looking for. Let's see an example of optimizing a loop with list comprehension. This is a more efficient way to create a list of squares compared to using a traditional for loop. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to for loops in Python, iterating through lists and strings, and a look at nested loops and optimization techniques. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be looping like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 7. Keep coding.